Alright, you guys, I've looked up online. I've got this coolant leak, and it looks like my Y pipe is leaking. So a lot of you guys have tried this out. I'm going to be replacing mine. I got the Dorman OEM fix, the 626541. It's got the aluminum Y pipe body instead of the plastic that Ford likes to use. So alright, so the first thing you need to do is drain your coolant. So my F-150 is a 2014, so the drain plug is on the passenger side. So I'll be crawling underneath there to unscrew the drain plug. So here is the tools that you'll need to drain your coolant. Some kind of tub to collect it in. This is old aquarium tubing, but there's a drain plug nozzle on there that you can connect this to so it doesn't make a mess. And then a flathead screwdriver. And climbing up in here, if you guys can see right there, the red drain plug. And the nozzle right there on the bottom of it. Then you guys can see how that tubing really helps, because then you don't make a mess and it just drops right in there. So one of the next steps is I'm going to remove the air filter box and tubing to the throttle body. Okay, once we got the air box out of the way, next step is I'm going to take the throttle body off. Here's the Y pipe, what we're after right here. You can see I got a new upper radiator hose. I got new heater hoses, but I didn't replace this with a thermostat. Replaced my fans. Everything's working great, but now I've got a leak under there, so it's just how old it is. Got 149,000 on it. So next is the throttle body. It's got 4 bolts that hold it in, or 8mm. These shouldn't take very much to break. You know, it doesn't hurt to clean your throttle body since you gotta take it off. Now, if you weren't going to clean it, make sure your gasket's okay. Remember to put a rag directly inside, so nothing gets inside there. One wire connector here on the throttle body. Pull up this red tab. Like everybody says, it should just come around, right? goes on there so tight, but it's been a while since I cleaned mine, but you can see it's, I'll clean it up. But one of the next things we can do is pop this up radiator hose off. Put that upper radiator hose out of the way. Let's see. And the next one. I'm not going to take that off, but I'm just going to make sure it's loosened up there a little bit. Yeah, I think they said get this guy's got these two little green clips on the bottom here. You guys can't see that. So that little green clip's got to pop up. It's got two tabs on both sides. And this hose just slides off. Let's get it up out of our way. Alright, so two types. Next is this clamp. If you squeeze it hard enough, you can actually lock it. Push down on it, it actually locks. Almost had it. There you go. Then it locks. Seen people just cut it, twist it off instead of cutting it. You can see that's where I think where it was leaking at, underneath there. It's got a little bit of fluid there. Okay guys, back had to get a scarring pad. I'm gonna clean off this thing, connections here, but it just reminded me about These connections right here, these heater hoses, I was gonna tell you guys, these plastic connections get very brittle over time. And just in here working on this, I just bumped this and I broke this. It just broke right here at the elbow. So I think maybe there might be a fix. Just buy 3/4 inch pipe, heater hose, and just replace it with regular standard what do they call them, worm clamps. Alright, you guys, if we look at the difference of the pipes here, looks the same, except see, instead of the plastic, they went with the metal aluminum. I mean, the hose, exactly the same length. Everything's good. That's what we're going to put in. Got new O-ring already inside it. There's a new O-ring, red one in there. That's the other thing you guys got to look out for, is these round, when you put them in, they're round, but when they flatten out over time, and that's where they also cause leaks from. Because this one doesn't have the same as the floor. It doesn't have the same locking. I don't know if I should keep this one or use the Ford one. This one here, we're going to have to. Up like it, I'm going to go and put the Ford. I'm going to put the Ford. Listen for that click in there. Okay, it's clipped on just like that. I think I'm gonna hold off on the upper radiator and put the throttle back again first. The nice and clean throttle body. If we could take the rag out. I know you guys know this, but everybody always says it. Make sure you hand tighten corner to corner. And this don't need to be over tightened. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Last night I got everything put together, and this is the radiator flush that I bought at AutoZone, what they recommended. So I ran this last night, drove it, brought it back, no leaks. So now I'm going to drain all of this out and put the antifreeze in. Alright guys, these are the tools that I used. Didn't take much. Impact to undo the hose, but 8mm for the throttle body, the air box, and pliers for the clamps. That's really it. That's all it took. Just checked it, filled it up with fluid, going to take it for a test drive, but so far no leaks. And again, I hope this was helpful. I know there's several videos out there. Maybe I said something new, but anyways, like and subscribe. Thanks.